In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Pipedrive. To start, open your browser and head to Google. This is a quick way to search for and open Pipedrive if you don't have the address bookmarked. Type Pipedrive into the search bar, then open the Pipedrive website and sign into your account as you normally do. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile menu. It's usually your avatar or initials. Click it to open the menu, then choose Company Settings. If you don't see Company Settings, you may need admin permissions. Check with your workspace admin before proceeding. Inside Company Settings, locate the Google Drive option. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Integrations or File Storage. Click Google Drive to open the connection page, then click the button that says Connect to Google Drive. This will start a secure connection process, and a new Google window may open. If nothing appears, it's often due to a pop-up blocker preventing the window from opening. When Google prompts you, choose the account you want to connect. Pick the Google Workspace or Gmail account where your team files are stored, and make sure you're selecting the account you intend to use with Pipedrive to avoid mixing personal and work documents. After selecting the account, click Continue. Next, Google will show you the permissions Pipedrive is requesting for Drive. Review the access carefully. These permissions typically let Pipedrive find, attach, and manage files within the folders you choose, so that documents can be linked to deals, contacts, and activities. Select the access as presented, then click Continue to confirm. You'll be redirected back to Pipedrive, and the connection will finalize. Within the Google Drive section of your company settings, you should now see that the integration is active. From here on, your team can attach Drive files directly inside Pipedrive without downloading or uploading duplicates, keeping everything in sync. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you use multiple Google accounts in the same browser, confirm the correct one is selected during the prompt. If you ever need to change accounts later, return to the same Google Drive settings page to manage the connection. And if the permissions screen looks different, it may be because of your organization's security policies, so check with your admin. That's it. Your Google Drive is now linked to Pipedrive.